Empowering women to invest independently. Taking control. Why women should invest independently. Have you ever thought about your financial future and felt a wave of uncertainty? You're not alone. Today, I want to talk about why it's crucial for women to take control of their financial destiny through investing. Studies show only 1 in 3 women feel confident about investing compared to nearly half of men. This confidence gap isn't because we lack ability. Women often make excellent investors. We tend to focus on long-term goals rather than chasing short-term gains, resulting in more stable investment portfolios. Financial independence isn't just about money, it's about empowerment. When we control our finances, we gain the freedom to make decisions aligned with our values and aspirations. Consider this. Women typically live 5 years longer than men, meaning we need more to fund those additional years. Without investments to grow our savings, there's a greater risk of outliving our wealth. Start small. Even modest investments help you learn how markets work, gradually transforming investing from a source of anxiety into a tool of empowerment. Education is key. Take advantage of resources like online courses and female-focused financial communities for support and shared experiences. Taking the first step into investing might feel daunting, but it's a step toward true independence. Your financial independence isn't just about numbers, it's about possibilities.